Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and installing some H11 bulbs from Auxito. Auxito is today's video sponsor. They sent these over to us and they also gave me a discount link. So if you use the link below and use the discount code, you're going to be able to save some money on your next purchase. When we unbox this, you can see there's a little piece of foam that's going to hold both of the lights. There's the connector piece there. And there's the LEDs at the very end. Now, whenever we take these outside, you can see that the fog lights are right there. And we have Tristan pointing the flashlight directly at the casing. And you can see at the very back, there's going to be the spot where you're going to twist. You're going to give that a full twist, take it out, and there's the halogen bulb. Now that's going to be connected to that connector. All you have to do is pull that out. Once you pull that out, you're going to plug in the new LED bulb, and then you're going to twist that back in the opposite way that you used to twist it out. Now, this has to be one of the absolute easiest installs you can do. Whenever you get under the Tacoma, it's literally right where you expect it to be. There's nothing really blocking you to get there. You just have to be under the truck and find that little spot. And here's a quick side-by-side comparison with the LED versus the halogen light. You can see we have LEDs also from Auxito for the headlights, and they're in the fog lights, and so those are now matching. They have that nice white crisp look. And on the other side, we have the headlights already done, but you can see that fog light, that's going to be the halogen light, and that's going to be that dingy yellow. And now that we tested that side, we're going to go ahead and switch out the other side. It's the exact same process. You're just going to twist that out, unplug it, plug it back in with the new light, and then twist that back in. And once you get that twisted in, you're going to go ahead and check it and make sure everything's working properly. And these are pretty protected from the weather, but they do have a rating of the IP67, which is a waterproof rating, which is pretty standard for any lights that are going to be on a car. And you can see the new LEDs are installed there. It's sticking straight out. And when we flick those lights back on to do the final test, you can see all four lights are shining bright. They're all matching and they look really good. But I know what you're wondering, what do these look like at the nighttime? So let's go ahead and take a quick look around this truck, see how these look. Now, I've been running the headlights and the fog lights from Auxito for around 6 months and I haven't had any issues. Looking at the website, it boasts a 50,000 hour runtime. Of course, you can see that I have the Auxito headlights in, so if you wanted to see that video, it's posted on my channel as well. And if you do order any lights from their website, be sure to use the discount code in the description below to save some money on that checkout. And if you haven't already, smash that like button. It does help this channel grow and tell people that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing for more videos to come in the future. And if you haven't liked this video, thanks for staying so long. And if you think these lights look clean, you should check out the video I just posted about the off-road lights that Auxito just came out with. They're 7-inch off-road pods, and they look absolutely killer on this Tacoma build. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below, and I'll try my best to get to it. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.